3 fragments, 1 question. Could they have belonged to Amelia Earhart? Let's examine the evidence. This is all investigators recovered. A heel, part of a sole, a brass eyelet. Nothing here identifies an owner. So why did these fragments become one of the most discussed pieces of evidence in the Amelia Earhart mystery? Let's start with the heel. One small detail changed the investigation. Cat's paw. An American replacement heel sold during the 1930s. That places the shoe in the right time period. But it doesn't identify the owner. Thousands of similar heels existed. The clue survives. The identity does not. Next came the sole. Using the surviving fragments, researchers reconstructed the original shoe. Their conclusion pointed to a blucher Oxford, a style Amelia Earhart is known to have worn. The evidence becomes stronger, but not strong enough to identify the owner. Then the investigation becomes more complicated. The original shoe no longer exists. Its size has to be estimated. Tygar concluded the estimate could be consistent with Amelia Earhart. Other researchers disagree. The size remains disputed. It neither confirms nor eliminates Amelia as the possible owner. One final question. Could someone else have left the shoe? Yes. Settlers later lived on Nikumaroro. Coast Guard personnel were stationed there during the war. Other visitors also reached the island. None can be ruled out. So where does the evidence leave us? The fragments fit the correct time period. The reconstructed shoe matches a style Amelia Earhart wore. But the estimated size remains disputed, and alternative owners remain possible. Could this shoe have belonged to Amelia Earhart? Possibly. Can it prove she reached Nikumaroro? No. Evidence rating, moderate. Case status, open. The truth is still out there.